Welcome to Chip Technologies Chennai.
This is the LCD screen. This is a LCD screen. You can see backside. This is a LCD screen. This is a laptop LCD screen because we are having only one CFFL bulb. So this is laptop LCD screen. Okay. So without giving the power to this particular CCF, because CCFL bulb we need 600 volts. So we can't give 600 volts directly to the CCFL bulb. So we need some inverter. We need some inverter board. By the way, all the laptops will have inverter board. The same thing, the desktop monitor also will have the inverter board. Just see the back side. This is monitor. This is monitor back side, and this is CCFL bulb connections. So we have two more connections in monitors and only one connection in laptops. Only one connection in laptop. So each and every monitor and laptop will have an inverter section. If the inverter section is get faulty, okay, sure we can't get power for this particular display. Okay, so that time how we are going to check either the 3 more power is needed to the 3 more power is needed in order to switch on this board. I mean switch on this board. Okay, so that this board I'm not going to explain because if you go through some data sheets means you will get all the things. Okay, that this board is consists of some power MOSFETs, and this is a piezo transformer. The piezo transformer will produce high voltage, and here also I'm going to mention the safety procedure. Don't touch physically in this piezo transformer because the piezo transformer will give high voltage. Okay, it will give 600 voltage. If you are going to unfortunately if you are going to touch any component beyond the piezo transformer, it will give high voltage to us. Surely the person will get died. Okay, so that's why it's very important thing. And just see, the board is fully shielded with plastic cover. Okay, fully shielded with plastic cover. For checking purpose, I'm just doing the things straight away. For your demos, that means for your working style. Okay, don't use this style. Okay, just add one paper or some other thing to avoid the electric voltage damage. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate for you people. Okay, so I have SMPS with me. Okay, so this is my SMPS. SMPS is not switched on. Okay, so the SMPS is switched on there. Okay, there's the SMPS switching on. Okay, so this is my 20 pin connector. I'll take my tweezer because the SMPS will not get turned out. The SMPS will not get turned out. The SMPS will not get turned out. In order to turn on this SMPS, okay, what we need to do is we need to do one thing. We need to short the green wire, any black wire. If we shorted now, the SMPS will get turn on. Just see, the SMPS fan is running. Sure we'll have a voltage in each and every pin. Okay, so the voltage I'm going to show you in multimeter. Just take any Molex connector. Okay, just connect the red probe over red line and the black probe anything. Okay, you'll get 5 voltage. Just see, you'll get 5 voltage. The same way, I'm removing my red probe and I'm placed in yellow. You'll get 12.9 voltage. So job is done. We can give directly power to the inverter board. Okay, so now I'm going to do. Stop and LCD screen. We have a CCFL bulb connections over here. Okay, so we are going to check the same thing. I just disconnected the 2 cables because previously we have seen desktop monitor connections. Desktop monitor connections will have 2 more CCFL connections. So that's why I'm using the 2 thing. Okay, So this is my LCD screen. I'm going to connect. Jesse, I'm going to connect, okay? Carefully do the thing. Jesse, we are having a display. We are having a display. So the connection is working fine. Thanks. Thank you.
Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks.